Hacking isn't magic. It's not some Hollywood hacker slamming a keyboard at lightning speed while green code rains down the screen. No, real hacking is just really advanced Googling. That's right. 90% of hacking is literally just searching for the right commands, copying them from Stack Overflow, and pasting them into a terminal while hoping nothing explodes. Yeah, you'd think hackers memorize thousands of complex scripts, but in reality, they don't. Because why would they? Every single exploit, every single vulnerability, every single tutorial on how to break into something, it's already on the internet. And hackers, they just know where to look. Stack Overflow, GitHub, shady hacking forums. If you can Google how to reset my Wi-Fi router, you're already halfway to hacking something. Let's speedrun how a hacker actually hacks. Step 1, Google something sketchy. It always starts with a question like, how to exploit WordPress site 2024, or SQL injection tutorial, but easy. Step 2, find some random GitHub repo that looks like it was last updated in 2016, usually with a README that says, for educational purposes only. Step 3, copy-paste it into a terminal like a real professional. Hit enter, and boom, error message.
Didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? You know, for a second there? Yeah, I kind of did.
Step 4, spend the next 2 hours debugging. Maybe install some missing dependencies. Maybe realize the script was written for Python 2 and cry. Maybe Google another fix and copy-paste that too. Step 5, somehow, by pure accident, it works. Congratulations, you're now a certified elite hacker. But wait, why even go through all that trouble when there are hacking tools that do everything for you? That's right, hacking is so optimized that even the script kiddies don't have to write code. Meet Metasploit, the ultimate I don't want to learn hacking tool. It automates exploits with a simple menu. You just tell it what to hack, and it does all the work. Then there's SQL map, which can hack an entire website with one command. You type SQL map-u followed by the victim's website, and boom, you've got access to their database. And let's not forget Hydra, the tool that brute forces passwords so aggressively it makes your GPU beg for mercy. At this point, hacking is just clicking I am not a robot on a CAPTCHA. And that's exactly why this is both hilarious and terrifying. Because yes, hackers are just professional Googlers, but that's the scary part. Companies lose millions of dollars every year to people who literally just copied and pasted an exploit. Some teenager in his mom's basement hacked a major corporation using a free tool he found online. Another guy hacked a casino through a fish tank. Entire government servers have been taken down just because someone forgot to change a default password. Now, speaking of people who know what they're doing, most hackers stay broke because they waste time on random tutorials instead of learning what actually makes money. You know, like the folks pulling in $1,000, $5,000, even $10,000 plus from hacking. The difference? They know exactly where to look, what to exploit, and how to cash in. Think you're not good enough? Doesn't matter. Inside CyberFlow's Academy, we show you exactly how to get there from zero to earning. You get step-by-step guidance with courses on web hacking, bug bounty, reverse engineering, and full ethical hacking. No fluff, just the exact skills that get results. This is a system built for real earnings. You'll get live breakdowns of actual vulnerabilities, direct feedback from me, and a private community where hackers share exploits before they even hit the public. Oh, and if that's not enough, the Academy's 51% affiliate system means you can start earning before you even find your first bug. Some members have already made back their investment in weeks. Others have turned hacking into full-time income. Spots are closing fast. Every day you wait, someone else is getting paid. So, click below, get inside, and start making hacking pay. So yeah, hacking isn't some genius-level skill. It's just knowing what to Google. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go copy-paste my way into a career. And hey, if you liked this, check out my video on how hackers stole data using a toaster. Subscribe, or I'll hack your fridge.